In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly apply a gift card or coupon to your purchase on eBay. If you've ever found yourself at checkout wondering how to use that special promo code or gift card, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and make your next online shopping experience a breeze. First, you'll need to navigate your way to eBay's website. You can do this by typing www.ebay.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. This will take you straight to eBay's homepage, a familiar space filled with a wide array of categories and deals. Whether you're searching for electronics, fashion items, collectibles, or just about anything else, you'll find it all here. Once you're on the eBay homepage, the next step is to browse for a product you'd like to purchase. This is where the fun begins. Take your time to explore, use the search bar for specific items, or browse through the categories if you're not quite sure what you're looking for yet. Once you find that perfect item, click on it to bring up more detailed information and check if it meets your needs and preferences. Found what you're looking for? Great! Go ahead and add it to your cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. Now that you've got your chosen item in the cart, it's time to proceed to checkout. To do this, go to your shopping cart by clicking on the cart icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. The checkout process on eBay is straightforward, and you'll see the details of your item, including pricing and shipping options. As you scroll down the checkout page, you will come across the section titled Gift Cards and Coupons. This is where you'll be applying that gift card code or coupon that you've been wanting to use. In the input field provided, carefully type in your code. Double-check to ensure there are no mistakes or unnecessary spaces, as these can prevent the code from being applied correctly. After you've entered your code, click on the Apply button. You should see the discount reflected in your order total almost immediately. If there's any issue, ensure your code hasn't expired and is valid for the items in your cart. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully applied your gift card or coupon to your eBay purchase. Not only have you potentially saved some money, but you've also learned a new trick that you can use every time you shop online. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.